Hello, this is Matt Johnson with the IEP Resource Center. I'm going to walk through the administrative functions on the Indiana IEP main page. We're going to look at the bottom of the page first, and you're going to see some things that are different from what you typically find in a teacher of record or a team member's account. For example, at the bottom of the screen, these file names would typically be the only thing that your teacher of record would see or your typical account would see. And they would not have these previous or preceding columns here. So the options we have here as an administrator are to delete or reposition these columns. So if I click on delete and then click delete reorder documents, it will remove that document from my list. If I change the numbers around, I can click delete reorder again, and that would change the order of those documents if I need to change those for whatever reason. If I need to add more documents to this list, I can upload files and browse through my computer to find them. I can label whatever I need them to be, change so it's a nice friendly label instead of just the file name. I can choose to replace some of the documents that are on the main screen there. So if I have a new manual, I can update that with the update the old manual from this without deleting it. So I can upload the files there. Going back to the main menu, I can also change the content of this welcome message. If I click Edit Message, we'll go to a nice big text box here. Now I can just type in regular text here, but if you want it to have any kind of format, you need to have some kind of knowledge of the HTML tagging or codes there. And it's already set up a little bit for you here, so if all you need is to send a basic message, you can highlight that and then change whatever content to whatever content you need it to say. Okay. But if you do have content or knowledge of the HTML, different tags you can put here, you can do all kinds of different things with that list. Now, looking on the main screen again, we'll see some the message board content over here on the upper right. This is something that everyone will see. When you click on Send Us a Message, this opens the message board to contact the PCG representative. You can change your message type up here, your subject, page title, so whatever title page you're working on, and student information. Now the nice thing about this here is that it is secure and encrypted, so you can share student information on this screen if you need to. So if you have a problem with any student data, or if you just have a comment or suggestion, you can send that to PCG using this option. Now once you've sent your message, the PCG representative will respond to you, and there'll be a new mail icon here next to your My Messages link, so you'll be able to see right away. You also will find a message in your inbox for your work email or whatever email address you submitted into Learning Connection or through your IEP system, just telling you to look into the IEP system to find a message. So just telling you that, hey, there's been someone addressing this for you. So if we click My Messages, you can see at the top of the screen up here, you'll have your new messages and any previous messages you'll find below. And as time goes on, you may have a great deal of documentation here to look through, and you can click Search Messages to find a specific item. So that's a quick overview of the administrative viewpoint for the Indiana IEP main screen.